Today I'm going to show you how to create a 6-panel brochure using a slideshow. You may wonder why I would choose to use a slideshow instead of a document. Actually, a slideshow allows you to be more flexible with where you put things, which allows you to be more creative. I'll tell you more about that later. First, let's make the brochure. From your Google Drive, create a new slideshow by going to New, Google Slides. Name your slideshow. And stick with a simple light theme. Change the slide layout to blank by going to Slide, Apply Layout, and Blank. Change the page size by going to File, Page Setup, change widescreen to Custom, make the width 11 inches and the height 8.5 inches, which is normal paper size button landscape. Finally, we need to divide our brochure into our 3 panels for each side. To do that, go to Table, Insert Table, and insert a 3x1 table. Stretch the table out to fill the entire slide. And notice that it does divide it up evenly. Now, since we're making a 6-panel brochure, we need to duplicate this so we have a front and a back. So we can do that by going to Slide and Duplicate Slide. Now we're ready for the creative part. With a slideshow, you can add a picture background or a color background. You would add the color background by going to Background and just choosing a color. But I'm going to add a picture today. And I could do that by going to Tools and Research and searching for a picture that I want to add. And I'm going to add a mountain scene. And I'm going to stretch it to fill my entire brochure, even though I know it's going to distort it somewhat. And then I'm going to fade it out so that I can put things on top of that. I'm going to do that by clicking on Image Options and making my mountains fairly transparent. Now I would be able to put other things on top of it. And of course, I'm going to remember to cite my source. Which it did not give me this time. There we go. Now I'm ready to go further. I could choose to add word art or text or other pictures. Anything that I add, I can stretch across different panels or keep it in just one panel. So if I wanted to add word art, I could do that, and I could move it where I wanted to and change the colors. And again, I could add pictures with my research tool. And I'm going to choose just to put this in one of my panels. Again, I would remember to cite my source. And if I wanted to put some information about Mount Everest in my brochure, I could do that. If I wanted to see my text closer, I can always go to View and zoom in, and then move to the part of my brochure where my text is. So as you can see, there's quite a bit you can do. We will be working with this tomorrow in class. I look forward to seeing what you can come up with.